Then I would like to talk about the algorithms and pseudocodes. Algorithms, in Chinese, it is called 演算法. It is a step-by-step method of solving a problem. For example, you would like to find a path from home to the campus. What is the best way to do so? What is the cheapest way to do so? What are the steps needed? And you may also want to cook with steamed fish. So, what is requirement? Should it be well done or halfly steamed? What stuff to be added? So these are the steps you have to do before you finish your task. So it is commonly used for data processing, calculation, and other related computer and mathematical operations. So just like this graph, okay, it involves some input and step-by-step methods, and then give you some output. So that is the process involved in an algorithm. So another idea is called pseudocode. So it is high-level description of an algorithm. So it is more structured than English prose. Therefore, it's unlike ordinary English or language. You may find some pattern or structure. And it is less detailed than a program because it is language independent, and it prefers notation for describing algorithms, and it hides program design issue because the key point is that it is language independent. So pseudocode is a step-by-step written outline of your code that can gradually transcribe into programming language and describe how an algorithm works. And pseudocode can illustrate where a particular construct, mechanism, or technique could or must appear in a program. Let's see the following example. Now first, we have some pseudocode. It illustrates the idea of what we want to do. We want to group a person into senior, adult, or children according to the age. So we have this kind of pseudocode. After that, we will have actual code. For example, in Java, it will be transformed into like this coding, and in Python, we will code it like this. Okay, so these two program segments are actually implementing the same algorithm, so we can make use of the same set of pseudocode to do so. So there are many pseudocodes. Okay, it's illustrated in the following examples. Okay, different rates of writing. Remember, it is more structured than English, but it's unlike programming language. There will not be very rigid syntax requirement. So by convention, we will have this kind of wording, just like for if then else, while do, loop, repeat until, for and do, and with indented space to signify the structure. And also we will have some method declaration. Okay, the algorithm, the method name, a list of algorithm, and some input and output. And then we will have some method call. Okay, for example, what sort of argument to be put in and return if the method are expected to have some return value. And also we have some convention by this notation, just like this arrow is actually assignment. In Java is just like equal sign. For equal is usually for testing. In Java it is double equal. And for supertranscript and other mathematical formats are also allowed, but it is not commonly found in the programming. So that is the basic concept